If you're seeing a Steam disk write error, it usually means Steam can't save game files to your drive during an install or update. That can happen because the drive is write protected, there's a corrupted sector, or your antivirus is blocking the file. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. And before we begin, if this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, restart Steam and restart your PC. This might sound basic, but it clears temporary glitches and resets anything that may be interfering with the download or write process. Fully close Steam, make sure it is not running in the background, then reboot your computer and open Steam again. After that, if the error is still there, the next thing to do is run Steam as an administrator. To do that, right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu, then choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam elevated permissions and can bypass folder permission limits that may be blocking it from writing to your drive. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes. Once Steam opens, try the install or update again and see if the error is gone. If that still doesn't fix it, check your drive space next. Make sure the drive where Steam is installing your game is not completely full. Steam needs some extra buffer space to unpack files while downloading and installing, so even if you have just a little bit of free space left, that may not be enough. As a good rule, free up more space if your drive is close to full, then try the download again. You can delete temporary files, move large files, or uninstall unused apps to create room. If you're using an external drive or a secondary partition, also make sure it isn't write protected, because that can prevent Steam from saving anything at all. You can check the drive properties and verify that Windows has normal read and write access. If your antivirus is aggressive, it may also be blocking Steam from writing the download files, so consider temporarily disabling it or adding Steam as an exception while you test the fix. Just remember to turn protection back on afterward. After each step, try the download again so you know which fix solved the issue. In many cases, one of these simple changes is enough to get Steam working normally again. So to recap, restart Steam and your PC, run Steam as administrator, and check that your drive has enough free space. If the problem continues, look for write protection, corrupted drive sectors, or antivirus interference. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.